So for my cloud storage application, I went with Google Drive because, as you can see by my documents here, I have used it before and I just find it a lot easier to have everything in one place. You can see that I have created 2 folders here for this class, and so I have created an EDCI 270 assignment folder, and so in here I'm planning on keeping all of my assignments and badges so I can have everything in one place. Then if we go back to my folders, I also created a spelling and kindergarten folder, and that's my theme. So I'm planning on keeping files that relate to my theme in here. So as you can see, I've already created a file, and I made this useful links, and so I plan on adding to this document throughout the semester when I find more information about my theme. And so this link that I've already provided I do find very helpful, and I actually used it in a previous assignment. And so if I wanted to create a document, I could put new, and then let's say I wanted to create a new Google Doc, and we can title this like characteristics. I'm not the best speller. Okay, we'll go with that. Okay, so if I wanted to say like the characteristics of spelling, or like beginning spelling in kindergarten, we would first start with, we could create a list here. So the first would be like letters or like of the alphabet, and then it would be sounds, and then using those to go into something, but we don't have to create the full list. Like I can come back to it. So let's say I wanted to move this to a certain folder, so I could move this to my spelling and kindergarten folder. And so it says here that it's been moved there. And so if I close out of that and go back to my drive, if I go into that, you can see that my characteristics one is right here. And so let's say I wanted to share this folder with someone else. I could go here, and this is where I would share it with people. So let's say I wanted to share it with myself, because I don't have another person's email to use as an example. I would just type in their email here and then send it, and then I can either send an invitation to edit or just a link, but I'll go ahead and I'll send an invitation to edit, and then it says that it was shared with one person.